Fun fact, gelato uses custard like ice cream, but more milk, little to no cream or eggs, and is churned slower. Because the first half of our day was spent in Switzerland, the first meal I had in Italy was Santa, or dinner. All of our breakfasts were eaten in hotels and mostly consisted of buffet type options. Caesar salad is one of my most favorite meals ever, and getting to eat it in the heart of Venice was a highlight of my day. I think what made it the best was the fact that the cheese on top was not incorporated into the salad beforehand. I do have to admit that I did eat gelato at least 1 or 2 times a day. I think what made this meal really special was the fact that veal is really popular all over Italy. The dessert that came after the veal was like a brownie, but it was uncooked and had nuts in the middle. One thing that continued to be a struggle throughout all of these meals was the fact that restaurants could not split checks between every single person like in the United States. So while I only ordered a $7 pizza, my bill came and it was $70. Like I said in my paper, all dinners were accompanied by pasta and then came the main course. I really like this one because of the sweet gravy that was on top of the chicken. One thing that I really enjoyed about all the gelato that I ate was a little wafer cracker that came on top of every single cup. It was like eating it in a cone, except for without all the mess. Because I was in a hurry in the morning, I only had time to grab a hard-boiled egg to eat for breakfast. Because we were in a rush to go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, my friends and I just grabbed food at a small little cafe. While I did not get the opportunity to eat any bread in Pisa, I did discover the story about how Tuscans do not use salt since the 12th century in their bread, due to taxes or something of that nature. This salad, which consisted of balsamic vinegar, cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce, could be found in almost any restaurant we visited in Italy, along with potato wedges. Now, this is not a picture I took, but we did eat chocolate cake with cranberry sauce on top of it. I did not eat breakfast because I needed a pack for Assisi. While the sandwich was good, the fruit tart was really the star of the show. It consisted of a buttery tart shell full of a creamy, lemon-flavored custard and slices of fruit. Pasta was not the only thing with sauce on it, as this chicken was covered in it as well. Another day, another croissant with Nutella. It was really interesting to see the higher price of food items near the Vatican City. My final meal in Italy consisted of pizza that did not have any cheese on top of it, as well as gelato.